Alip, I think tomorrow we have a test on concept about trade fair and role in construction for timber. Do you remember any of it?
Yeah, tomorrow we get test, right?
Yeah.
I don't remember anything. I haven't studied nothing.
You haven't studied anything about the role in trade fair?
I have no idea.
Come, let me show you.
Where am I?
So first of all, I'm going to talk about the number one trade in double-story timber construction.
To them?
So first of all, my role is a supplier. So what does supplier do? Number one is provide all timber material such as floor joists, roof trusses and wall panel. Other than that is to ensure material arrive on time and in the right quantity. And number three, lastly is to communicate with the architect and site supervisor about what is needed and when. And for number two, which is my tool and resources, what do I use? So number one is a logistics system, track order and deliveries. And lastly, I use delivery truck and forklift to transfer all the timber to the construction site. And lastly, you're probably wondering, what is my sustainability practice? Number one is FSC, Certified Timber, which is I am responsible to manage the timber from a managed forest. Number two is provide timber that lasts longer, so I can reduce the need for replacement. And lastly is to offer local timber species, which can support the regional economy and lower transport emission. But what's Alip? Nah, I'm gonna move on to the next role, which is carpenter. Follow me.
Hey, I thought you were Israel.
Never mind. So, people often think me as a carpenter just cut and fix the wood, right? But in double-story timber buildings, my job is more than that. I assemble the structure, setting up the columns, beams, and floor joists, and making sure the upper floor is properly supported. I also handle timber joints and connection, because in timber buildings, strength comes from how everything fits together. And on top of that, I focus on using sustainably sourced timber, so reducing waste and reusing the offcut of the woods, because where it's possible, so the building is not only safe but environmentally responsible. So next, I'm gonna pass to my friend Arif to talk about roles in architecture for site supervisor. Okay, so for the next one is site supervisor. So what is the role of the site supervisor in double-story timber building? So their responsibilities is, first, they need to oversee daily construction activities to ensure work follow drawing, specification and schedule. The next one is they need to coordinate between architect, carpenter, supplier and workers on site. They also need to monitor structural works such as floor joists, column, beam and roof structure for correct installation. So the next one is for the tools. They need to provide safety gear such as helmet, safety vest, glove and safety boots. They also need to provide site drawing and construction detail to guide correct execution. They also need to checklist and inspection form for quality control and safety monitoring. For the sustainability practice, they need to implement waste sorting on site, timber of cut, metal, general waste, monitor efficient and efficient use of machinery and tools to reduce energy consumption. Okay, that's all from me for the site supervisor.
Now that we're here, after all the explanation, do you understand about each role in the trade fair for double-story timber construction?
I think now I get it.
Yeah.
But I think you missed one most important role in building trades.
Number role, the most important.
The architect.
Oh, the architect.
Yeah.
Now do you care to explain, because I don't remember it.
I don't know something about architect.
Okay.
Okay, come, let me explain to you. So, architect is not just about draw lines on papers or any softwares. Me as an architect, I'm the designer of things that I'm going to produce. There are many aspects that I have to put in mind before I start designing, especially a design for human. For example, when we are building a small double-story timber building, I have to plan the spaces and layout. So I have to work with others, like other professional roles in building trades. I have to make sure everything is safe and sustainable. So for materials, we may use FSC certified timber, engineered timber, like glue them. I think you guys already know what are those. And for tools, we architects we use hand sketches, AutoCAD and SketchUp. So for sustainability aspects, we should think of natural light, ventilation. I think that's all. So yeah, I think I already remember everything about this topic. I think Encik Noh must be fine.
Tanah itu kurang sisa, kesiangan akan mantan. Nama yang sopi, pipi, tinggi.